Don't be shocked because you saw this video titled that verify your SIDRA in 5 minutes. It's possible to verify your SIDRA in 5 minutes only if you can follow all these steps I'm going to give you in this video. The step I'm going to give you is not about going somewhere this and that, but it's about commitment and how you are ready to verify your SIDRA account. Hello cryptocurrency miners with blockchain technology, future millionaires, welcome back to the channel. This is Crypto Guru, and you know knowledge grow through sharing, and that is why we created this channel for long, to make sure that we bring legit update to you guys. I've been posting videos back to back about SIDRA network. How can you verify your SIDRA? If your SIDRA account is under review, then you have nothing to worry about, which means you have completed all the documentary they ask from you, and right now the only thing you need to do is either to wait or you pay and get verified in 5 minutes. Now, I know a lot of people will doubt this and say maybe it's scam, or why are SIDRA asking for payment to verify someone's account? Currently, the verification is only one company that is allowed to verify people, and this company is in Nigeria, northern part of Nigeria. So if you want to verify your account, you can decide to enter a transportation from where you are to the north just to verify your SIDRA account in Adamawa State. But to make this easier, if you want to verify your SIDRA account online, just make sure you chat me with my WhatsApp number. Alright? The online verification, it will take you to pay some money to verify your account. Here is the only thing they need from you is your username. Through your username, they are going to review your account. And after they review your account, they'll be able to verify you in 5 minutes. They'll be able to verify your account in 5 minutes. But here is the thing though, I want you to know that if you pay your money, you have to also wait a little bit, like maybe 1 or 2 days, because they are going to book slots, right? Or let me say you are going to book slot with them before you will get verified. You book slot because a lot of people have been submitting application to this company, which makes the company to delay the verification a little bit. But it's not like SIDRA that is going to wait for you like maybe 1 to 2 years or 3 years before you get verified. Currently, SIDRA are working towards the listing TGA, right? The listing date of SIDRA token. And everything is coming to an end, which you have to work very hard to make sure that you verify your account. Now, I'll advise you, if you have more than 200 to 300 SIDRA token and your account is yet to be verified, make sure you contact me on WhatsApp. Here is the thing that we are trying to do. We are trying to pay all the money we need to pay to submit to SIDRA company in Adamawa State so that they can be able to verify people that are under review. If your account is not under review, maybe your KYC is showing incomplete, there is no way they are going to verify your SIDRA account. Please, if you know your account is incomplete, right, your KYC is incomplete, make sure you even submit it before you go to my DM. Like, resubmit it and make sure that you do all your face tracking, KYC and all of that, so that your account will be under review. If your account is under review, it will take only 5 minutes for them to verify your KYC. So make sure, please, you do so before you even DM me on WhatsApp. And there's some money you are going to pay for you to submit and book appointment, right? Book a slot before they verify your account. Don't think that is for free. The reason why we are doing this is because for you to travel from here to the north, if you are not staying in the northern part, for you to travel from here to Adamawa State, you are going to spend nothing less than 150,000 going and coming, which is very costly, depends on your location. And that is why we decide, okay, we have SIDRA ambassadors, right? Like now, I'm just becoming a new SIDRA ambassador, but we have a lot of people that are working with SIDRA company, which they can be able to help you to verify your SIDRA account online by using your username if your account is under review. But if your account is not under review, please make sure you resubmit and complete your KYC process. It means that for your account to be under review is waiting for only SIDRA team to review your account and verify it, which is the reason why SIDRA opened their branch in Adamawa State and one in Kano, just to make sure that they verify people's account. I know a lot of people are saying that why SIDRA will only open one company in northern side. I want you to know that northern people, they are consistent in mining more than any other state in Nigeria, right? Maybe more than east, west and south. Northern are consistent in mining, and they have huge number of community people that have been mining SIDRA token. Don't say, okay, maybe it's because of religious stuff on all of that. That's not the point. SIDRA is a mining. SIDRA is a token, right? Digital token that we are going to benefit from it. So just make sure you do the needful. Your account is under review. You chat me on WhatsApp. There's some money you're going to pay, is for sure. And there's nothing like maybe they want to scam you. No. The reason why we are paying this money is because SIDRA team need some money to sustain the company. Because the main SIDRA company are not paying the SIDRA company in Nigeria. The reason why we only allow this company to enter Nigeria is because to help our people verify their account very easily. You might be surprised saying maybe why is the SIDRA team saying that okay, they allow people to open this company in Nigeria? Because they have huge fan base in Nigeria. And I want you to know it's not only Nigerian that can verify their account online. This branch can be able to help people from Burundi, Uganda, different countries in Africa, right? So if you're in Africa, you can also send me DM on WhatsApp through the number I'm going to drop in the screen, 070-2533-8620. Please don't let anybody to DM you with scamming number and collect your money without you getting verified. I'm doing this to help my community so that they will be verified at ease. We are all in this together. I know my account is verified, but I have some downlines that I also want them to verify their account so that we will all move together. If you're one of these people, please make sure you do the needful. And then the last one is for you to make sure that you share this video so that this video would reach the right audience. And subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I drop any update about SIDRA, you will be notified immediately. And don't forget to turn the notification button so that whenever I drop any new video, you will be notified. I'll see you guys on WhatsApp or in the next update.